lost his temper at the elephant's rude behavior and said,
"Now I will teach you a lesson."
The crocodile snapped at the elephant and got his tongue in his mouth. The elephant cried out in pain and tried to pull his trunk.
"Leave me, you are hurting me. Leave me, you are hurting me."
He cried. The elephant pulled and pulled and pulled his nose, but the crocodile kept holding to it. Soon the animals heard the elephant's cries and came to help. They all together pulled the elephant by its tail. And finally, the elephant was able to set his nose free, but to his horror had become too long.
Look what happened to my nose. Now what should I do now? Your nose is now free.
He cried loudly, and the animals comforted him and told him the defense of a long trunk.
Don't be sad. Now you